Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Auspost MasterCard account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in everyday.card.auspost. Here in this login portal, you'll have to enter your card number, your email address associated with your account and a valid password. If you want your device to remember your login, then check the box that says Remember Me. And if you don't want it, then uncheck the box. If you do not remember your password, then click on Forgot Password link. Also, if you do not have an account yet, then you can click on Activate Your Card link. Finally, after entering your details, click on the Login button to proceed. And that is how you can log into Auspost MasterCard account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.